Back speaking with Paul Lepinier this morning from Strickland Metals. Paul, good to see you. Good morning.
Thanks, Andrew. Good to see you.
Look, a sensational hit you announced this week here, nearly 90 meters at 4 grams a ton gold. This is at your fairly new project in Serbia. You say the strongest gold mineralization you've encountered to date at the project. Tell us a bit more.
Yeah, well, so Rogozna, we've got over 100,000 meters at Rogozna, and this is by far the highest grade gold we've ever encountered. This project's been explored for over 20 years, and the more we drill, the better it gets. So, this zone, we were targeting this area of the ore body because the drill spacing was quite broad. It was about 80 meters apart, and yeah, we were astounded when the core was coming out of the ground. The geologists were doing a little dance. When the assays came in, we couldn't believe it. And, as I said, the highest gold grades ever encountered, over 90 meters at roughly 90 meters at 4 grams. The other really important thing about it is, it's not just that zone. We actually intercepted 3 really good zones of mineralization down the length of this hole. The lower zone, zone 3, that had over 100 meters at 2.5 grams gold equivalent. And, that included some zones of massive chalcopyrite up to 11% copper. So super excited. And it's really great to validate our strategy, which is for Shanats chasing the high grade zones, to show that within this massive ore body that is, essentially 600 meters long by 500 meters wide, there's actually zones within that, like this, that can really support a high grade mining operation.
So you'd be looking to follow up with some more closer spaced drilling, would you?
Yeah, that's right. So we've currently got 2 rigs on Shanats. We've got 4 rigs at the project, but the 2 rigs at Shanats, when they finish their current holes, they'll move back to this area and chase this really exciting discovery along strike and at depth. So yeah, within the next month, hopefully we'll have another couple of holes into this zone.
So you feel this project here has the hallmarks potentially of a world-class project?
Absolutely. So, 5 million ounce gold equivalent currently. That's just from 2 deposits. We've got another 2 deposits where we've defined Medenovac 600 meters of mineralization and Gradina about 1 kilometer of strike mineralization. So the goal there is to drill out those deposits as well and hopefully double the resource base.
Well, just to give us a bit more detail on that. So near term, what news can we expect to hear from you as far as Serbia?
So with Serbia, as I said, we've got 4 rigs drilling. 3 of those rigs are drilling resource holes, so 2 at Shanats and 1 at Medenovac. So we'll expect good news flow for the rest of the year out of that. 1 of the rigs is just drilling exploration holes. We've got a portfolio of at least 10 targets that we're looking to drill over the next 12 to 18 months. So basically for the next 18 months out of Rogozna, with a 60,000 meter drill program, we're going to get drill results every few weeks. So it's really exciting times.
You've also got a rig, meanwhile, at Yandle, have you?
Yeah, we've got 3 rigs at Yandle currently. So we've drilled about 20,000 meters at Yandle this year, really trying to take the project to the next step. So the historical work there has really been shallow drilling, less than 100 meters deep. We're now targeting deeper mineralization, and we've had some really good success there recently as well.
Well, clearly busy over the near to midterm with this drilling, and of course well funded, Paul, close to 50 million in cash and shares.
Yeah, so we don't need to come out and raise capital. We're fully funded for the next 18 months. So, buckle in.